What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about metal roof repair, where we have two buildings that have sloped metal roofs towards each other and they meet in a gutter. We're going to use a membrane over metal. We're going to show you the retrofit system and how we fix this problem. Stick around, we'll show you how it's done. What's up, guys? My name's Aaron. We're here in our shop, Exterior Pro, and in this video, we're going to demonstrate how we solve some of the toughest metal roof issues or leaks that are out there, really. And so last time we had where a sloped roof meets a wall, and so if you have that detail in your building, we suggest that video. But this time we've got where we're not meeting a wall, we just have two sloped metal roofs where they meet, and they meet into a big gutter. And then there is usually downspouts or big roof drains that come down from that gutter and carry a ton of water. These are super prone to leak. They may not leak when the building's first built, but over time, it's a leak-prone area. We see this all the time, and we get asked all the time, how do we fix this? And I also get asked, what retrofit method is the right way? Should we go metal over metal, or should we go membrane over metal? In this case, when I see this, my recommendation is always 100% membrane over metal, and that's what we're going to show you. Metal over metal, you're going to basically end up with the same problem. With a membrane over metal retrofit, we can basically eliminate this gutter, or we can line this gutter and turn this into a different system and fix these problems. But you can see that this one gutter in between these two buildings is carrying a lot of water, especially when you've got these large metal buildings that are dumping on the sides. And how does this happen? A lot of times what we see on these facilities, these factories or these places that have grown over time, they've added buildings. And so they need buildings to be connected, so there's not really a good way they connect them. So you'll often find this detail where your place or your factory, your building, your facility has added another building, and there was just nowhere to take the water. So somebody said, let's put a gutter there, a big drain in between of them, and we'll dump the water. We've got two slopes meeting, and that's what this is about. We're going to fix this problem, guys. All right, one of the things I just want to mention is that when we do a membrane over metal, we don't just line this gutter. We're going to line both sides of the pitched roof. You're not going to be able to waterproof this channel or this big box gutter with just doing that, right? So what we find usually by the time we get there, that's already been tried. The thing's full of caulking, tar, coatings, all kinds of stuff. So we're going to go ahead and start by our normal retrofit system, and we have other videos that will demonstrate that, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to lay bevel cut insulation inside the pans of these existing panels, and we're going to start to recover both sides of this metal. And then we're going to demonstrate the drain. So how we're going to do that is we're going to lay this flute fill in, as we call it. Then we're going to cover it with a piece of insulation, right? And then we're going to cover it with membrane, and then I'll show you what we do down here specifically at the drain. All right, guys, so at this point, we've got both slopes of our roof. We've started our retrofit process. So you can see our white flute fill. That brings the roof level up to the top of the existing profile. So your metal roof stays in place. We lay this in, depending on the profile of your metal roof, the existing building, and we flatten this out. We recover the entire surface with a piece of rigid insulation, and that gives you a flat surface, and then we roll the membrane out. So at this point, we've got both sides with our retrofit started, and we're ready to make a decision now on what we're going to do with this trough. So in buildings where this trough is wide, and it's a great big trough, we can bring our membrane down, we can line these troughs and come back up, and we can hot air weld and seal this membrane all into one. So the membrane will come down, it'll go into the trough, go over and come back up, and we'll show you what we do with the drain in just a second. But we can basically line these troughs when they're wide enough. And again, a lot of these big buildings carrying hundreds of thousands of square feet of water, these are big troughs. So some of these are not little troughs, and membrane goes down into them and comes back up out of them, and it's just, we waterproof it with the membrane. Sometimes on smaller buildings, we'll see troughs that are very narrow, and on those cases, we can't line them because we can't get our tools in there, our welders, to weld them. So our welders are too big, even our hand welders, we can't get in there. So in that case, it's better then to extend the drain, and I'll show you how we do that, to extend the drain pipe up and then elevate the roof surface. So we'll show you that detail in just a second. All right, guys, so if it's a wide trough, we're going to take the membrane from both sides, line that gutter, All right, and then we're going to sleeve the drains, which I'll show you the drain sleeve here in just a second. But you'll still be down into the gutter, but it'll all be lined with membrane connected to the upper parts. That's how we'll waterproof this. However, if we can't get our tools in there to weld and to hot air seal this membrane, we're going to have to do something different. The different setup is what we have here. So smaller drain, what we can do is we can basically get rid of this drain by bringing our insulation together. We would fill this in basically, and then we would do an extension from this drain. This black circle here is meant to be our drain. We're going to extend that drain up with a piece of pipe or another downspout, and then we're going to take our drain sleeve, which is basically, you can see this. It's a piece of it's a flashing that's pre-made, right? And so we're going to sleeve this drain. This is a good view of this. We're going to sleeve this drain from up top. So no longer will your drains be down into this trough on this setup. We're going to sleeve the drain, bring the drains up higher, and then we're going to take this insulation that has pitch to it, and we're going to make the water go to the drain. So we just don't have a great big long channel where the water lays flat. We're going to build what we call a cricket out of these pieces of insulation that go from thin to thick. It's called tapered insulation. It tapers from thin to thick. We'll use that and cut it in a diamond shape or a triangle shape, and we'll move the water to the drains now along this trough so it just doesn't sit there. And then we'll drop a strainer dome on top, and we'll basically turn this metal roof into a membrane style roof, and the whole thing will be waterproofed from the trough all the way up the sides of the metal. So guys, that's how we're going to fix this tricky problem in the metal roof repair, where we have two buildings that are converging into a gutter and it leaks. We're going to either line it, or we're going to recover the whole thing and turn it into extend our drains. Guys, hope you learned something on this. If you've got this detail on your building and want to talk, give us a call. We'll see you on the next one.